So in my alignment video, you saw me do the 25. This is the 28. I did the 28 first, and I learned a lot that I applied to the 25. And one of those things that I applied, which I showed in the video, was when I would release the clamping pressure on the top of the strut and make sure that everything on the ring was staying where it needed to stay without pressure. Well, I didn't do that on this drum. And as a result, the tuning gauge strut, the one that's right over the pedal, wants to bump out about, well, half the hole. So I can't just elongate the hole. There's not enough metal left to clamp down. That would be nice if I could do that. But that also means that the drum is likely now off center. Not significantly, not enough to worry about. But when I get that bolt removed, the suspension hoop is pretty well flat. This is a flat aluminum plate. It's flat to within 10 thousandths across 3 or 4 feet. But I have another significant low spot here that appears worse as I release the pressure on that strut. So right now I'm thinking what I'll do, unfortunately, is take it apart, drill out the rivets, maybe make a new ring and make it deeper. So this is 1.25 inches, maybe make it 1.5 inches. That way there's more contact on the struts. I'll need to weld holes shut and basically start the whole process over again, which is kind of a bummer, but the 25 is just so nice that I want it to match. Things I did on the 25 ended up making it just absolutely great. And I would really like for this drum to match that. I could just put it back together, put a drum head on it and call it done. I mean, we're basically at that point. But this is beyond cosmetics at this point. This is a sound issue. And again, when I release the pressure off that strut, everything kind of springs into its proper place except for the mounting spot. I'll think on it. I really want to get this done, like playable, in the next month, I guess. Today's February 1st. I'd like to be actually playing it on stage March 1st. I don't think that's going to happen at this point, but I'd still like to shoot for that. It's a nice goal to have, a motivator, if you will. That's what got these done in December. And they were a pleasure to play on, so I think it's worth it to really correct this. And I'm going to maybe try a few things first. Can't really lose. But I don't want to spin my wheels, so bring it back when I think of what to do.